Hello students, today we will learn the next illustration number 11. See the illustration. Mr. Karan carries on his own business for the year ending 31st March 2020. His trading and profit and loss account was as follows. See the trading and profit and loss account. On the debit side, to opening stock 2,20,000, purchases 1 crore 36 lakh 9,000, salaries rupees 2,56,000, rent rupees 5,61,000, bonus 3,000. Printing and stationery rupees 4,000, miscellaneous expenses rupees 4,000, advertising rupees 22,000, drawings 12,000, LIC premium 5,000, car expenses, driver's salary 6,000, petrol and repairs rupees 12,000, property tax rupees 4,000, medical insurance of our family 6,000. On the credit side, sales 1 crore 62 lakh 89,000, closing stock 2 lakh 52,000, interest on debentures 2,000, discount received 6,000, rent of staff quarters rupees 20,000, and the net profit is 18 lakh 45,000. And additional information given. First one, advertising expenses include cost of 20 gift packs of rupees 1,100 each, presented to each leading esteemed customers on occasion of Deepavali. Second one, the car was used for the both business and personal purpose. Two-thirds is used for the business purpose. The property tax is of rupees 4,000 is in respect of his self-occupied house whose rental value is rupees 18,000. Closing stock is undervalued by 10%. Compute his business income. So this question is asked for the year question paper 2018 year for 8-mark question. Now see the illustration. So here we have to compute the business income with this information. See here. Mr. Kiran carries his own business for the year ending 31st March 2020. So here they have given the trading and profit and loss account. So we'll see the debit side of profit and loss account, whether debit side of both trading as well as profit and loss account, which are the allowed and disallowed expenses. Opening stock is allowed expenses on the trading account, purchases allowed on trading account, salaries are allowed expenses to the profit and loss account, rent is allowed, bonus to the employees. Here the business owner Mr. Kiran has paid bonus, so it is given on the debit side of profit and loss account, means they paid a bonus to the employees, so it is taken as allowed business expenses. So the bonus or any retirement benefit if employer pays to the employee, so that is taken as allowed business expenses. Printing and stationery, which is necessary for the in the office of a business, so it is allowed. Miscellaneous expenses also taken as allowed business expenses. Advertising allowed. Drawing is relating to personal, so it is disallowed, so we have to cancel from a net profit. LIC premium also disallowed, we have to cancel from a net profit. Car expenses, if it is used for the business it is allowed, then if it is used for personal purpose then it is disallowed. So we'll decide based on the additional information later. So petrol and repairs also relating to car, we'll see later. Property tax, the tax which is paid on property tax is disallowed. Property tax is relating to property tax also, there is adjustment, we'll see later. Then medical insurance of a family, so the insurance of family is relating to personality, so we have to cancel, so disallowed under disallowed expenses to the net profit. Next, on the credit side, closing stock is allowed income on the credit side. Interest on debenture, which is not relating to business, it is a income he is receiving from other source, so it is not relating to income, so we have to cancel. Discount received means for businesses they will receive a discount, so the discount received is their income, business income, considered as a business income. Then rent of staff quarters, so here the businesses receives a rental income from the staff quarters, so it is relating to business. Staff quarters means it is relating to business for the employees quarters in the businesses. So from there rental income received from a staff quarters is taken as a business related income, and it should be there on credit side of profit and loss. So rent received is disallowed. Rent of staff quarters, remember rent of staff quarters, staff means the rental income received from a staff or employees who are staying in a quarters of a business, so it is taken as a business income, so it should be there on the credit side of profit and loss account. So only interest on debenture is relating to other source, should not be taken here. So here they have asked to compute only the business income, so no need to take other source head here, only one treatment. Then Additional information: advertising expenses included cost of 20 gift pack of rupees 1100 each presented to leading esteemed customers on the occasion of Deepavali. It can be included on the debit side of profit and loss account. So in this advertisement expenses it is included. So it is allowed business expenses. This is taken as allowed business expenses. Okay, allowed business expenses. So allowed expenses is included here, so it is it should be included on the debit side of profit and loss account. It is taken as allowed business expenses. Normal advertising expense it is, so it is taken as a allowed business expenses and it should be there on the debit side of profit and loss account. So no treatment for this. Then car was used for both business and personal use. So this car, they have one car relating to car, there is expense is given. Here the car was used for both business as well as personal use. Only the business purpose is allowed, personal purpose will be disallowed. This is relating to this. Personal purpose will be disallowed. So here 2/3 of the 2/3 is used for the business purpose, means the remaining 1/3. So the remaining 1/3 is disallowed. Okay, personal purpose is disallowed. So the portion is 1/3 out of total 3. 2/3 is business purpose. So the 1/3 will be disallowed. So here relating to car they have given driver salary and petrol and repairs. So here total it will be 12,000 plus 6,000 is equal to 18,000. Out of 18,000, 1/3 is used for the 1/3 is used for the personal use. So the 18,000 into 1/3 is disallowed and the remaining is allowed. 18,000 into 2/3 is allowed and 18,000 into 1/3 is disallowed. So both driver salary as well as petrols and repairs are relating to car, and the car is used for business as well as personal. So the part of the personal use, that is the 1/3 part of the personal use, is taken as a disallowed business expenses and it should be added to the net profit because it is recorded on the debit side of profit and loss account. So it should be added to the net profit. Next, the property tax of rupees 4,000 is in respect of self-occupied house whose rental value is 18,000. Okay, so here the property tax, the 4,000 is given. The property tax is 4,000 is in respect of self-occupied house, means it is relating to house property. It is not relating to business. So this 4,000 we have to add. We have to cancel or we have to add to the net profit because it is a disallowed expenses. It is not relating to business. It is a relating to house property, self-occupied house. So the value of this house is 18,000. Rental value of this house is rental 18,000. So this is irrelevant. No need of this calculation for us. This value is not required. So only the 4,000 which is included here, this is relating to house property. So we have to cancel from while calculating the disallowed expenses. Then closing stock is undervalued by 10%. So this is a closing stock. We have to record here the given value 2,50,000 is undervalued by 10%. So now we have to record the remaining, means it is recorded at 90%, means there is a income we have to record on the credit side. So that means we have to add to the net profit. Usually disallowed income we are deducting. So allowed income which is not recorded, so that is a 10% portion not recorded. So to record we have to add to the net profit. So you have to add allowable income not recorded. So far like that also you can give heading and we have to add to the net profit. So compute his business income. This one we have to compute only the business income. Okay, so we will calculate the business income now. So now write the heading solution number 11, computation of business income of Mr. Kiran for the assessment year 2020-21, 3 column particulars and 2 amount column. So we'll start with the net profit as per profit and loss account. So the given value net profit as per profit and loss account is equal to 18,45,000. So 18,45,000 is the net profit as per profit and loss account. So next we have to add the disallowed expenses. Add disallowed expenses. So to write these disallowed expenses, now we have to see the debit side of profit and loss account. So opening stock allowed, purchases allowed, salaries allowed, rent allowed, bonus allowed, printing and stationery allowed, miscellaneous allowed, advertisement. Advertisement expenses include the cost which is relating to allowed expenses. So allowed expenses included in the advertisement is taken as allowed only, so should be there in the debit side of profit and loss account, so ignore this adjustment. And then drawings is relating to personal, so we have to cancel, so write add drawings. So value is equal to rupees 12,000. Next is LIC premium is disallowed, so add. So LIC premium rupees 5,000 is disallowed. Next relating to car expenses, next one is car expenses. So relating to car expenses, they have given driver's salary 6,000 and petrol and repair charges for this car is 12,000. So total 18,000 is the expenses relating to car. So there is the additional information relating to car. The car was used for both personal as well as business purpose. So here out of total 2/3 is used for the business. It means remaining 1/3 is relating to personal. So the 1/3 portion is disallowed. So relating to car expenses, car expenses, we have to cancel only the personal use. So what is the portion of personal use? So the total car expenses is 6,000 is driver salary plus petrol and repairs is equal to 12,000. So it is total 18,000 is the total car expenses. In that the portion of personal use is 1/3. So 1/3 we have to cancel. So 18,000 into 1/3 is equal to 6,000. 6,000 is a disallowed. So remaining 12,000 is allowed, 6,000 is disallowed. So next is property tax. 4,000 is debited here. So property tax is of 4,000 is in respect of self-occupied house. It is relating to house property. So it should be cancelled here. So property tax we have to cancel. Property tax on self-occupied house property. Self-occupied house property on self-occupied house property it is. So the value 4,000 we have to cancel. And again they have given the rental value of the house. This house, the rental value is 18,000. This is not required for our calculation. So ignore this 18,000. Okay. Next is medical insurance of family. So it is disallowed. Medical insurance of family. So medical insurance of family is equal to how much? Rupees 6,000. So 6,000 is disallowed. So next debit side item is over. In the additional information we have to check any point is left out. Advertisement is considered. Car expenses is considered. Property tax also considered. Closing stock is undervalued by 10% is relating to credit side item. So leave at that point. So only the debit side items is over. So the total 12,000 plus 5,000 plus 6,000 plus 4,000 plus 6,000 is equal to 33,000. So if you add 18,45,000 plus 33,000, it is equal to 18,78,000. 18,78,000. Next we have to take the income to be treated separately. Deduct income to be treated separately. So to write the income to be treated separately, we have to see the credit side of a profit and loss account. So here closing stock is allowed, interest on debenture is disallowed. So it is a disallowed income. So we have to deduct from a net profit. Then discount received is allowed. Rent of staff quarters also allowed. So only one item, interest on debentures. So interest on debentures, the amount of interest on debentures is 2,000. 2,000. So only one item. So 2,000 you have to write in the outer column. So 2,000 it is. 18,78,000 minus 2,000 is equal to 18,76,000. So credit side item over. Next we have to check whether there is any allowable expenses not allowed so far. So there is no allowable expenses not allowed so far. So write allowable expenses not allowed so far is nil. So there is no allowable expenses not allowed so far. Next there is a one adjustment left out here is closing stock. Closing stock is undervalued by 10%. So closing stock, see here, closing stock should be recorded on the credit side. So it is, we will take it as a income. Credit side we are recording the closing stock, we'll take it as a income. So an income which should be recorded on the credit side is undervalued by 10%. It means they have recorded less. So actually closing stock they have to record 100%. Actually they have to record closing stock 100%. Total 100 actual closing stock they have to record. But instead they have given undervalued. So this 2,50,000 is recorded for 90%. They have recorded less 10%. Undervaluation is reduced by 10%. It means they have recorded given value is for 90%. So now we have to record the 10% portion. So that is nothing but here they have recorded less. So that is the allowable closing stock not recorded so far. You can write like allowable income. Allowable income not recorded. Allowable income not credited to profit and loss account. It is not credited. So what is that is nothing but undervaluation of, see, expenses should be deducted. Okay, income should be added, allowable income. So see here, if you want to cancel any disallowed income, you have we usually deduct the value from the net profit. Then if you want to record any amount, means closing stock we have to record here 10%. So to record we have to add. So this is nothing but we have to add to the net profit allowable income not credited to profit and loss account. So under that, undervaluation of closing stock. So what is the given value? Closing stock value is 2,52,000. So 2,52,000 is given for 90. Then for 10% how much? So it will be 2,52,000 into 10 by 90. The calculation is nothing but 2,52,000 is given for 90%, means undervalued. So what is 10% portion? So 2,52,000 into 10 divided by 90 is the calculation. So you will get the undervaluation of closing stock is equal to 28,000. Okay, 28,000. So this is a add, you have to add to net profit 28,000. So you can calculate like this, or even you can add here under disallowed expenses, you can add undervaluation of closing stock, you can add. So the final answer will be same. So there is no such a it is not a wrong. You see here in the textbook they have added disallowed expense under undervaluation of closing stock. It is not a disallowed expense. Undervaluation of closing stock is not a disallowed expense. It is a allowable income but not recorded. Actually closing stock should be recorded at 100%, but here they have recorded only 90%. Means they have to record that item. It is taken as a allowable income not credited to profit and loss account, 28,000. So now there is no other item. So 28,000 we have to record 19,04,000. So the same answer, 19,04,000 is the business income. 19,04,000. So the 19,04,000 is nothing but taxable business income. So now just cross check the question illustration. So debit side all the items we have considered, credit side items also we have considered, adjustment also we have considered. So nothing is left out. So if you want to write any note, you can write here relating to advertisement. Advertisement expenses include this cost of gift packed presented to customers on occasion of Diwali is taken as allowed advertisement expenses. If you want, you can write in bracket like festival allowance. During the festival they have given the presents. During the festival, Deepavali festival, they have given the presents like gift to customers. So it is taken as a business related expenses. Okay, so it is allowed. So if you want, write it is a festival allowance. So it is allowed. Then relating to house property. Okay, there's no other. So there is then rent of staff quarters is allowed business income, right? Rent of staff quarters is allowed business income. So it should be there in the credit side of profit and loss account. Rent of staff quarters means rent received from a staffs of a business from their quarters is taken as a allowed business income and it should be recorded on the credit side of profit and loss account. So there is no difficult adjustment, so rest are same. So this is about the 11th illustration. Next to see the illustration number 12. This is a homework for you. Simple illustration. All the adjustments are repeated. Miss Soumya is a proprietor of a business at Mysore. Her profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2020 is as follows. Debit side of profit and loss account. Office expenses 20,000, rent 12,000, general expenses 6,000, personal expenses 6,000. Then commission 5,000, discount 2,800, reserve for bad debts 4,800, postage 1,680, legal charges 2,000, advertisement 6,000, fire insurance 1,000, GST paid 7,000, repairs on house property 2,000, loss on sale of car used for private purpose 7,200, life insurance policy 10,000, fines and penalty 4,000, interest on capital 2,000, audit fees 2,000, interest on loan that is from SBI rupees 6,000, provision for depreciation 10,000, provision for income tax 14,000. On credit side, interest on government securities 32,400, dividend received 20,000, interest from POSB account 6,000, rent from house property 32,400, and net profit is equal to 3,59,320. Additional information is given. First one is actual bad debt written off is rupees 5,000, depreciation allowable as per IT Act 6,000, legal charges are in connection with the protection of trademark. She carries on her business from a rented premises, half of which is used for her residence. Bank loan is taken for business purpose. Compute the business income of Miss Soumya for the assessment year 2020-21. So here we have to compute the business income of Miss Soumya for the assessment year 2020-21 with the information of profit and loss account and additional information. So now we will see which are the disallowed expenses. I'll just explain the disallowed expenses. So you have to work out the illustration. Office expenses is allowed, rent is allowed, general expenses allowed, personal expenses is disallowed. We have to cancel to the net profit. Then commission is allowed, discount is allowed, reserves, all the reserves are disallowed. We have to cancel. Postages are allowed, business relating to business it is allowed, legal charges is allowed, advertisement allowed, fire insurance you will take it as allowed. GST paid is relating to business allowed, repairs on house property is relating to house property, so we have to cancel from net profit. Loss on sale of car used for private purpose also we have to cancel from net profit. Then LIC life insurance policy also we have to cancel, it is disallowed. Fines and penalties are disallowed. Interest on capital is disallowed. Audit fees is allowed relating to business. Interest on loan SBI will assume it is for the business purpose. Provision for depreciation is disallowed. Provision for income tax also disallowed. So all the provisions are disallowed. Now see the credit side. Interest on government security is not relating to business, so we have to cancel, we have to deduct. So here they have asked to compute the business income, so no need of for taking other head income here. So only one treatment, interest on government security we have to deduct. Dividend received, so dividend received is not relating to business income, it is relating to other source, so we have to deduct from a business income. Interest on POSB account also not relating to business, so it is relating to other source head, so we have to cancel. Then rent from house property is not relating to business, it is relating to house property, we have to cancel. Now see the additional information. Actual bad debt written off is 5,000. So now once check whether bad debt is recorded in the debit side of profit and loss account. No, bad debt is not recorded in the debit side of profit and loss account. Reserve for bad debt will be different, it is. So it is the actual bad debt not recorded, means allowable expenses not recorded so far. It means we have to deduct, we have to record the allowable expenses not allowed so far. Under that actual bad debt 5,000 we have to record. Okay. Next, depreciation allowable as per IT Act is 6,000. So now once check whether the depreciation is recorded on the debit side of profit and loss account. So no, depreciation is not recorded. So this is a provision for depreciation, it is different. So depreciation is not recorded, so it is also allowable depreciation, allowable expenses not allowed so far. So to record we have to deduct to the net profits. So under the allowable expenses not allowed so far, so we have to record these two amount. Okay, Next, legal charges are in connection with the protection of trademark. So here they have recorded legal charges. So it is relating to protection of trademark, means it is relating to business. So this is the allowed business expenses. So it is relating to businesses. So it is legal charges will be taken as allowed business expenses. So then for that there is no treatment, there is no adjustment, there is no treatment you have to do for this adjustment. It is allowed. Okay, this is just a sentence giving that legal charges what they paid is relating to business, it is not relating to personal. Okay. Next, she carries on her business from a rented business premises. So she carries her business activities in a rented building. So half of which is used for her residence. So here in the debit side of profit and loss account, they have given rent paid 12,000. So here she carries business in a rented premises, and for that they are paying a rent of total 12,000 rent is paid for that total building. Okay. So here half of which is used for her residence. In the total building, half is used for her residence and half is used for the business. So the part of the residence purpose is disallowed, means 12,000 into half. 1 by 2 you can take, or 12,000 into 50% you can take. So the half is nothing but 50%. So that is how much? 6,000 is a disallowed. Okay. So this disallowed expenses is included here. So to cancel, what we have to do is we have to add the 6,000 value. So that is the rent paid for a residential house property, value is 6,000. So 6,000 how you got? 12,000 into 50% is equal to 6,000 is a disallowed. So 6,000 amount you have to add it to the net profit. Okay. Next, bank loan is taken for business purpose. So here they have given on the debit side of profit and loss account. So there is a interest on loan paid. So on loan, the loan is taken from SBI. So for the loan, they have paid interest of rupees 6,000. So this loan is relating to business. They have taken a loan is relating to business. So this interest on loan also allowed business expenses. So with this information, you have to calculate the business income. Very simple illustration is it is. Try to work out. Everything is already explained. So try to work out. Oh, so answer is 3,23,520. I don't know whether it is correct. So you have to work out. So the answer is 3,23,520.